I dhéanann go raibh gul páirt an imleach spórs, se Ball-Lìn I ghlach ar a bharí league. Agus for an dúci hiat came go bhí na coache.
I was quite late at starting at netball, like I said, so halfway through high school really was kind of introduction to netball. We didn't have a netball club in the area at the time, nor did I know anything about the district pathway. So I was tied up with other hobbies, and then I joined the Young Farmers organisation, and they play different sports throughout the year, and netball was one of them. Loved taking part and found that I was quite good at netball, probably taking those transferable skills from other sports across. And then going from there, I ended up getting a coaching role, volunteer role with South Lanarkshire Leisure and Culture, and I was leading on netball festivals for primary schools, got my level 1 coaching badge, and that was probably back in 2011, and I've been coaching netball ever since.
Bha bharí na príomh bhall sa bhuaigh na chrúí skip a Ball-Lìn bigger. Bó chain cruachil chan skip ar fás ag ire iantach, a you see that afrantal go Ball-Lìn Clydeside.
Yes, so starting as Bigger Netball Club back in 2018, it was formed from a small group of people who were really enjoying netball at a social level, playing in a bounce back to netball group at the local leisure centres. And I was a qualified coach at that point, so it was kind of formed around my availability to coach. And we only started with 3 of us coaching and a junior age group. From there, it grew to having our seniors and then our minis, which is P4 to P7, and more recently we've added our social and walking groups as part of that as well. We have been growing our coaching team since then, so a little bit of a shuffle round in our committee and then recruiting more coaches, training them up. That's a big part of my role as head coach, is mentoring new coaches who go on their level 1, level 2, hopefully one day, and also recruiting umpires because we can't go to our events and our tournaments without umpires too. It's been a lot of hard work getting to this stage where we are now. We've got a fantastic committee and a fantastic coaching team who've really helped. It's been things down to ordering new kit for the club, changing our logo, making sure that we've got the right people on the committee that are going to be here for the next few years, making sure that the club goes from strength to strength. And also we've got to the stage now where we're actually holding trials because our age groups are growing so rapidly that we've now got 2 under-15s, 2 seniors for example.
Ha bharí'r ober cruig na badjan coach reiche. Ayes get the vai animach na behe go Ball-Lìn. Ha mochel an urdes eike heens in riach.
I did not know that I was always going to be a netball coach, but I knew I was always going to be a coach of some sort or a teacher. I have always been interested from growing up. It was just always what I was passionate about, loved PE, and then managed to get loads of different coaching badges. So volleyball, badminton, football, tennis, everything but netball really. I was also a fitness instructor and yoga teacher. Netball came slightly later, and it fell into place that was something that I felt really confident doing. I absolutely loved it. It was fun. I could really relate with the children and the adults that I was getting to coach every week. It was a chance to do something that I could also progress in and not feel like I was stuck in a rut or going through the motions. I really felt like I had a pathway to follow as well, which Netball Scotland have been great with. Got my level 2. Again, like I said, I'm now going on to do my level B umpiring, and it's all sort of fitting into one. And it's been great to go from somebody who came quite late to netball to now feeling like I'm quite high up on what I'm doing at club level, district level, and I'm able to feed that back to kids that are maybe in my position where they've not started until they're halfway through high school, but they can still be shooting straight onto that netball pathway.
Bhuaigh Mhairi coaching na bliana ag dúis sports na ban an ALBA. Ayes, ha mochel as a hula shean a hénas Clydeside ar Cluinnidh.
Yeah, I'm really proud to be named Coach of the Year at the Scottish Women in Sports Awards. It was totally unexpected. I was delighted to be nominated, but being in that room that evening when there was so much talent in my own category, but also so much talent in the room, it was just really amazing, so proud, and the whole club was really nice to see them get behind me as well. I've definitely grown as a coach as the club's developed, and I think you have to, given that we've got so many talented young people that are wanting to progress. They are shown that they are so talented already and they're relatively new to the sport. So me as a coach, I am wanting to push myself to be better so that I can be better for them. We've got players representing district at under 15s, under 17s and under 19s, and then going on to represent at national as well. I've been really fortunate to have doors opened where I've been able to coach at district and now coaching at the Super Cup development squads for Netball Scotland as well, which is really exciting. I'm so proud to be a coach at Clydeside Netball Club, so proud to be part of it. It's been amazing to see it develop over the last few years, and it's such a nice feeling within the club, such a nice atmosphere. Really, we do call it a netball family, and it's something for everybody, and we know that we've got people that have got our backs, so I eventually want to get the club to a stage where it's going to continue going from strength to strength. Even if I have to take a step back, or somebody else in the committee or coaching team has to take a step back, we're all going to be there and we're all loyal to our club.
Se club a amasach a hanna Clydeside, a is a planigin met haar an aatjers an tamri chach. Le Mhairi could chus an lengthin orre lit an earthis ike heen mar coache.
So our club plans to keep growing in size, so boosting our membership, keeping to recruit from the high schools and also just the local community. And we've got our Health and Wellbeing Festival to look forward to in June. That's going to be really nice. It's going to bring all of our club together. It's going to be a chance to see everyone in their new kit for the first time. And we've got school festivals to look forward to as well. So all of this is going to help with boosting our club membership, our profile within the community, and we'd like to enter a few more competitions, maybe even into the Scottish Cup next year. Personal ambitions, I think I'll remain at Clydeside Netball Club. It's my bread and butter, it's going to be my home of netball forever now. But I'd like to progress on my own coaching pathway, so continue coaching at district, and I'm looking forward to being part of the coaching team for the Netball Scotland's Super Cup development squads, and that's really going to see me progress even further as a coach, and then I can bring that back to club as well. So I'm always improving myself, but also having that opportunity to help other coaches and obviously my players that I'm coaching.